How to improve mental health naturally. It's no secret that millions of people around the world are struggling with their mental health. And even though we know that mental health is just as important as physical health, it's still stigmatized in many places. However, there are many things that you can do to help improve your mental health naturally. So here are some stress, sleep, and mindset hacks to help you get started. Stress Less 1. Start a gratitude journal. One of the best ways to change your perspective is to start keeping a gratitude journal. The idea is simple. Every day, write down a few things that you're grateful for. These can be big or small things, like having a roof over your head or a delicious meal. By focusing on the positive aspects of your life, you'll start to feel more content and less stressed. If you want to learn how to start a gratitude journal from scratch, check out this video up here. 2. Go for a walk. When you're feeling stressed, it can be helpful to go for a walk. Exercise has been shown to reduce stress hormones like cortisol. It also releases endorphins, which have mood-boosting effects. A walk in nature is even better, since it's been linked to reduced anxiety and improved mental well-being. 3. Practice deep breathing exercises. Deep breathing exercises are a great way to calm down when you're feeling overwhelmed. There are many different breathing exercises you can try, but one simple one is the 4-7-8 breathing technique. Breathe in for 4 seconds, hold for 7 seconds, and then breathe out for 8 seconds. You can also try box breathing, which involves breathing in for 4 seconds, holding for 4 seconds, breathing out for 4 seconds, and then holding again for 4 seconds. There are many other breathing exercises you can try, so experiment to find what works best for you. 4. Use progressive muscle relaxation. Progressive muscle relaxation is a technique where you tense and relax different muscle groups to reduce tension in your body. This can help you relax and focus on the present moment rather than worrying about the past or future. First, find a comfortable position either lying down or sitting upright. Then slowly tense and relax each muscle group, starting with your toes and working your way up to your head. 5. Learn to say no. One of the best ways to reduce stress is to learn how to say no when you don't want to do something. It can be difficult to refuse requests, but it's important to set boundaries in order to protect your time and energy. It's okay to say no without feeling guilty. In fact, it's important to take care of yourself first so you can be at your best for the people in your life. Sleep better. 6. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule. One of the most important things you can do for your mental health is to get enough sleep. But it's also important to stick to a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends. When you have a regular sleep routine, your body will produce melatonin, the hormone that helps you sleep at the right times. You can use blackout curtains, earplugs, or a white noise machine to help you fall asleep easier. 7. Avoid using screens before bed. The blue light emitted from screens can interfere with your body's production of melatonin. It's best to avoid using screens for at least an hour before bed. Instead, you can read a book, journal, or do some light stretching. 8. Make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary where you can relax and get a good night's sleep. Make sure it's dark enough by using blackout curtains or an eye mask. Use earplugs or a white noise machine to minimize noise. And use a fan or air conditioning to keep it cool. 9. Don't eat or drink too close to bedtime. Eating or drinking too close to bedtime can make it difficult to fall asleep. Try to finish dinner a few hours before bed and avoid drinking caffeinated beverages in the evening. 10. Get some morning sunlight. Sunlight helps regulate your body's internal clock, so it's important to get some sunlight in the morning. This will help you stay awake during the day and make it easier to fall asleep at night. You don't need to get a lot of sunlight. Just a few minutes each morning can make a difference. Mindset makes the difference. 11. Challenge negative thoughts. Negative thoughts can be like a dark cloud hanging over your head, making it hard to see the bright side of things. They can make you feel anxious, depressed, and hopeless. That's why it's important to learn how to challenge negative thoughts and turn them into more positive ones. For example, instead of thinking, "I'm so stupid I made a mistake," think, "Everyone makes mistakes, including me. It's not the end of the world." 12. Practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself. Everyone makes mistakes, but it's important to forgive yourself when they happen. Self-compassion is a key ingredient to improving your mental health. It allows you to treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding that you would offer a loved one. When you're struggling, remember that you're not alone and that there's always hope for a brighter tomorrow. 13. Set realistic goals. Setting goals is a great way to improve your mental health because it gives you something to work towards. However, it's important to set realistic goals that you can actually achieve. Otherwise, you'll just set yourself up for failure and disappointment. Start by setting small, achievable goals and then work your way up. 14. Help others. Helping others is a great way to improve your mental health. It gives you a sense of purpose and belonging. Plus, it makes you feel good about yourself. Find a cause you're passionate about and volunteer your time or donate to a charity. 15. Talk to someone. If you're struggling with your mental health, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Talking to someone about your problems can help you feel less alone and more supported. You can talk to a trusted friend or family member or seek professional help. There's no shame in asking for help. In fact, it's a sign of strength. Improving your mental health doesn't have to be difficult. There are many simple things you can do to make a big difference. The most important thing is to find what works for you. Some people may find that exercise is the best way to improve their mental health, while others may prefer mindfulness meditation. Experiment with different techniques and find what works best for you. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more content. And if you have any tips of your own, please share them in the comments below. We appreciate you watching this video, and we'll see you next time.